right, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to label everything that I can on my graph before I do anything else. Okay, so I'm going to do this right here, my big C. So again, this is my quadrant or my Q1. Then over here would be my Q2. I don't know why it looks like that. And then this one right here is my Q3, so Q3. And then my last one is my Q4. Remember, they're all in Roman numerals. We don't write regular numbers on it. And before I do that, okay, what I'm going to have us do is we're going to label our points. So again, this is my origin. It looks like for point D, 2 to the left, 1 up, or not 1 up, so 2 to the left, sorry. Then I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 up. Sorry about that. I was thinking too fast. Then here again, I reset on my origin and I'm just going to go to point A first. So if I notice, I go to -1, -2, -3, -4. I stop at -4. And then I'm going to go up. So I'm going to go +1, +2, +3, +4, and +5. Okay. Now my point B, again, I start at my origin. I go to -1, -2. And then I go up 1, 2, 3. So +3. And that is my coordinate pair for point B. And my last one, point C, I'm going to start at the origin and then I'm going to write -1, -2, -3. So again, I stop at -3 on my x-axis and then I move down. So it's going to go -1, -2, -2. Okay, so now that I have labeled everything on my graph, everything else is going to be super easy. Okay, so it says, what is the x coordinate of point D? So I'm going to go back to my point D. Again, this one's my x, my 2, and then my y is my 4. My point D, they're only talking about my x coordinate, this one. So this one's just 2. Okay. Now it says the y coordinate for point A. So I'm going to look for point A. So again, I'm going to label this x and y. They're talking about my y coordinate. So I'm going to look at the y, and then they're saying that it is 5. Okay, so now it's saying which point is located 4 units to the left of the origin. So I'm going to go back to my origin, and actually I'm going to underline this. So it's going to go -1, -2, -3, -4. So 4 units to the left. And then it says 5 above the x-axis. So again, this is my x-axis right here. This one is my y. So I need to go above. So I need to go up 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I get point A. Okay, and actually I'm going to erase this right here. So I get my point A. So point, so I'm going to write PT. That's shorthand for point A. And I'm just going to write its location. So -4, 5. All right. So I'm going to move on to the next slide. So make sure you have these things on your paper. All right. So what I'm going to have you guys try is the rest of the notes right here. So you're going to have to do this one on your own. I'm going to come around and check it, okay? If I am busy and for whatever reason, I'm going to have you guys check right now, okay? So it says which point is located 3 points to the left of the origin, okay? So again, 3 points to the left of the origin. And then it says 2 points below the x-axis. Again, this is my x-axis, -1, -2. So this is going to be point C, and this is their coordinate point, -3, -2. Okay, so typically we don't see point C being written like this. Usually the only way we see it is like this. Okay, and then the next one, it says if I plot the point +5, so again start at the origin going to 5, and -4, so again I'm going to label this x and y, -4 going down, so it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4 right here. What quadrant would it be? I'll be in quadrant 4. Okay, so make sure you guys have your notes done and move on to the independent practice. and check with me.